Hey, welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to be giving my back patio a refresh for the summer. We are going to be cleaning it, doing a DIY, and just giving it a mini makeover so we can give it a cozy look and a cozy feel to enjoy it for the rest of the summer. So I hope you guys are ready for today's video. We're going to go ahead and just jump in. So this is what our back patio looks like now. We've actually had this furniture since we moved in here 4 years ago. So we just wanted to spruce it up a little bit and make it more of our style. I had ideas spinning in my head for weeks when I was preparing for this video. I'm just excited to make it more cozy and more of our style. I'm really excited for you guys to see the turnout. So we're gonna go ahead and just get started.
Put on your dress. We can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you.
So before we start cleaning the back patio, I wanted to remove all of the furniture from the patio, and then I went ahead and grabbed our blower so I can blow away all of the rocks, the dirt, and dust.
The body won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their
So I recently just picked up this hose from, I believe, Target, and I like it because it has all the different options for different pressures depending on whatever you're using your hose for. So right now I'm just using it to clean off our windows. I wanted to wet them down, get them rinsed off before I clean them.
favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up. This is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
So I didn't have a pressure washer this time when we were cleaning our patio. So I went ahead and looked up a hack to clean the concrete on your patios, and that is baking soda and dish soap.
You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
So I went ahead and just dispersed the mixture all over my patio, and you want to go ahead and let it sit there for like 30 minutes.
Work that body. The body won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work.
So now I'm using that same mixture to go ahead and wash my windows. The baking soda is going to act as an abrasive that will completely remove any of the dirt on your windows, but then it's soft enough that it's not going to scratch them.
I would be fine with just me and you. Now don't go changing your heart. We gotta keep the blue. We gotta keep the blue. Lion heart, you got me feeling like the queen of Mars. You're giving me the double boom to my heart. You got me screaming with my hands to the gods. Ooh, lion heart, lion heart. I lost my mind in your dreamy eyes, and I let my pride go by the shore.
So right here, I'm going ahead and using the higher pressure setting, which is called the jet setting on my hose, and just spraying down the patio really good. It's gonna make up for not having a pressure washer. I know it's not the same, but it's doing the job. So after I used the same mixture on my patio furniture, I wanted to go ahead and use my Jaws glass cleaner to finish off the glass and make it look really nice and just finish the job. So the next thing we're gonna do is bust out my Cricut maker so I can make a DIY outdoor rug. I've been wanting to make one of these for a very long time. You just need a few supplies and you can make it with your Cricut. So I want to show you guys how easy it is to make and kind of the steps. So first we went ahead and made a stencil for the outdoor rug. So I wanted to do something cute and different. So me and my husband came up with pool vibes only. So once you have the stencil, you just want to use a heat gun or a blow dryer to kind of stick that stencil down onto the mat. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my spray paint and spray paint those stencils to make our words. So I did learn along the way, I should have used paint and like a paintbrush so the spray paint wouldn't have leaked. That's because if you use too much spray paint, it can easily leak up under the stencil, and mine definitely did. But we are super happy with it. It was super easy to make with the Cricut maker. It was fun to try something new because we haven't done this DIY yet, and it just adds to our new patio vibe. So if you didn't know, the Cricut machine is a cutting, drawing, scoring machine for crafting. With the Cricut, you can make easy DIYs. You can make personalized items right from home. They have different machines from the Cricut Joy, Cricut Explorer, Cricut Maker, and their Easy Press. You can make t-shirts, customize coffee mugs, and even doing an outdoor rug. I'll make sure that I link my Cricut Maker down below so you can check it out. Thank you, Cricut, for being a returning sponsor. I truly love my Cricut, and I do feel like it will help you make something fun and creative. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and lay down the rug. I've never had an outdoor rug before, you guys. I did pick this up from Rugs USA. It was on sale, a huge sale. I think it was like 70% off. I will link it down below, but I absolutely love it. I love that it's striped, and I feel like it's gonna go perfect with the neutral, different colors that I picked up for the rest of the decor. Okay, you guys, the issues I had trying to find the perfect cushion for our outdoor patio. So I did finally find these and pick these up from Home Goods for $39, but that was after weeks of trying to order some online. They were either out of stock or they didn't have a matching set for the love seat and the chair with the colors that I wanted. So I finally went to Home Goods, and I went to a couple of different Home Goods to buy these because they didn't have like all three of the sets that I needed. I'm just really happy because I actually saved about $100 finding these at Home Goods. So definitely check your Home Goods when you're looking for any type of home decor or anything like this, because sometimes they'll have it and they'll have it a lot cheaper. So I picked up these pieces from different places like Home Goods and Target. So I will look for the links that I can find and then go ahead and link that for you down below. So this is a deck box. This is something that we're going to use to throw towels in, our floaties, the throw pillows whenever there's like rain and it's windy outside. We'll go ahead and just throw the throw pillows in there and just kind of protect those. So we've been wanting this for a long time and we finally took the plunge and bought it. They're kind of pricey to me. I mean, they're over $100, but it wasn't a priority. So now we finally invested in one and we're super happy with it. We love it. We think it's beautiful and it matches the backyard or matches the back patio. So I went ahead and put it together. It's actually pretty easy. All you do is snap all of the pieces together and you're done. So I'm going ahead and putting up some lights we picked up from Amazon. I've been wanting to add more lights out here for the longest. We also purchased a little remote so we can go ahead and use that to turn on the lights without getting up and going on the side of the house and turning them on. I'll show you the remote and how it works at the end of the video. All right, you guys, so this is the before and now this is the after. It is cute and cozy, just like I wanted it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some night shots. We have been really utilizing our backyard even more now that it's super cozy. We just take off our shoes and hang out. So I hope this video inspired you in some kind of way. It was really fun to create this little makeover and also share it with you guys. Go ahead and say hi down in the comments so I know that you were here. I will have the links to everything down in my description box. Also, don't forget to check out Cricut, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.